This video is about template or pattern development for 90-degree straddle, branch or T-branch. First, or the HOR or header outside radius is 84.15 millimeter, and the branch inside radius or BIR is equal to 51.13 milli, and we will be doing 6 inch by 4 inch 90-degree saddle branch or T branch. Now, first is we need to describe a horizontal line. Okay. Right. Then find the draw the 84. So 84. So there is the 84. Then describe the make the half of the header, half circle of the header. Okay, we don't need the whole diameter or whole circumference, just half of the circle of the branch. Then make a perpendicular line there, there. Then scribe it up or make a line. Right. Now make the half of the branch, right, on top of the header. Then mark the inside radius of the branch. We need the inside radius, so 51. Then draw the half of the inside circle of the branch. Okay, then we'll take the half of the 90 degrees. Then the other side. I'll do it slowly so that you can easily follow. So the center and this intersection of that, you need to be precise. Right. Then half it again. We'll adjust the divider a little. There. Okay, then the other side, scribe. Then scribe also the other side. Just easy like that. That's it. That's it. And that's it. Right. Then connect it one by one. Right. Right. Okay. Now next, we need to scribe down the ordinate lines to the arc of the header. So from there down to the arc. There down to the arc. Okay. Other side, but actually you don't need to do the other side because they are identical with that other side. So just to complete, I'll scribe down the lines. Okay. Now this is called wrap around line. Okay. So next step is we will do the template for the branch. So just continue that line. Then the longest saddle depth. You can see that. Right. Then make about 5 or 50 or 2 inch. Okay. Then find the outside diameter. Outside diameter of the branch. In here, we took the inside diameter. We've used the inside diameter, but when making template, we need the outside diameter of the branch. Now, let's start to mark the lines. So in marking contour lines, you need to use a flexible thing like flexible ruler or TIG wire or hacksaw blade. That's okay. Hacksaw blade is also okay. So let's start. Let's begin with the branch template. So that is, we will mark it from 0 to 2. Okay, 0 to 2. Then 2 to number 2. The same. There. And last is number 1. So let's start. So let it mark to 0, 1 and 2. Okay. Right? Then number 2 to number 2. Okay. Then number 2 to number 2 again. Okay. Then the same. Number 2 to number 2. Okay, we'll take it the back. Okay. Then last is number 2 to number 1. Okay. That's it. Then next is the whole template. So we will stop at this line, number 2 again, number 2, number 2. So it goes that way. Okay. Then again. Then right. Then last. Right. So that's the branch hole. Now let's cut out. We will cut it out. So that's the whole template. Shorter side is on the center of the header. It will position that way. Right, next is the template for branch. Alright, so we'll cut that way. Then the contour line. Right, so why 17? Because of the overlapping. Then wrap it to your 4-inch branch, so it goes that way. Okay, there. I hope you learned something today. Thank you. The outside diameter of the branch is 114.3. So we add 1 milli for the thickness of the tape or thickness of the template paper. Right. So we'll do the math. So 114 plus 114.3 plus 1 is 115.3 multiplied by pi, which is 3.1416 equals, so the outside circumference of the branch is 362.22. So 362.22. Then next step is we divide that by the number of divisions. So we are using 16 divisions. So divided by 16 equals 22.6. So every division has a measurement of 22.64 millimeter. So we'll be using this instrument, caliper, to make it accurate, right? First is we'll make we will describe a line there. Describe a line. Okay. Then we'll make the first there, the first division. Then first describe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So make it 17 for the overlapping connection. 17. We'll check if it's still the same. Okay. So make the same at the top. Okay. Now, on site we do connect by using straight edge. That way. Right. But since that I'm using the drawing instrument to make it faster, we connect them using this. Okay. Then that is numbered 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to transfer the saddle depth, you need to measure it. So before I forget, we need to number also this division. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then go down again, 3, 2, 1, 0, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1 for the overlap connection. Now that 0 is 0. Then 1, saddle depth of 1 is about 2.5. So that's number 1. So from the wraparound line, measure 2.5 down. Then number 3, number 2, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. So number 2, find number 2 there. So 8 milli. There. Okay. The number 4 is number 4. Right? So to make it faster, we'll use the straight edge. Okay? So we'll start from number 1. So mark all number 1. Number 1, number 1, number 1, and 1. Next is number 2. So number 2, 2, 2, 2. The number 3. So 3, 3, 3, and 3. And of course number 4 are there. So that is the shape of the saddle depth. we will mark it later. Next is the branch hole. So the branch hole. The branch hole there. Okay, bring down the center line. Bring down the center line. Okay. Then scribe down all the ordinate lines. So scribe down all the ordinate lines. So those are the ordinate lines. So that is vertical ordinate lines. So we'll do the horizontal ordinate lines. So we'll take 0, then the distance of 0 and 1. Okay, that's the distance of 0 and 1. So mark it from the center. Okay. Both sides. Then next, distance of 1 and 2. Okay, so distance of 1 and 2. Then distance of 2 and 3. Okay, that's the distance of 2 and 3. Then last is distance between 3 and 4. Okay, distance of 3 and 4. Okay. It's there. There. Then join them again together. Okay, so it goes that way. Okay, so half of it will use the drawing board. Right. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 is there. So that is the branch hole. So we will be marking lines.